Hello and welcome to Shrimpy. My name is Jade and today we are going to create a portfolio on our Shrimpy account. After linking your exchange account, your funds will appear on your Shrimpy dashboard. You can then separate your assets into different portfolios and use a different trading strategy on each one. To get started, we will select Manage Portfolios from the dashboard. Select Create Portfolio. We have now created a new portfolio. We will select the new portfolio and click the Settings icon. Here we can change the name of our portfolio. To fund the new portfolio, we will select the portfolio we want to move funds from, and then choose which portfolio to move funds to. Now we select the funds we want to move to our new portfolio. We can see the total value of the transfer here. Once we have all of our funds selected, we can click Transfer. Our new portfolio is now funded. On the dashboard, we can now see both portfolios. Depending on your subscription tier, you can have between 3 and 10 portfolios per exchange account. If you have any issues building your portfolio, please reach out to our friendly support staff at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.